In today's video, I'll show you how to link Google Authenticator to your OKX account to make your account more secure. Adding Google Authenticator creates an extra layer of protection. This means even if someone knows your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the verification code from your Authenticator app. First, open the OKX app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the main screen and tap on your profile or menu icon to open your account options. From there, find and open the Security section. This is where you can manage all the settings related to protecting your account. Inside the security settings, look for the option called Authenticator app or Google Authenticator. Tap on it, then choose the option to link or enable the Authenticator. Next, OKX will show you a QR code along with a setup key. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your phone and tap the plus icon to add a new account. You can scan the QR code using your camera or manually enter the setup key if needed. After adding the account, Google Authenticator will start generating a verification code that changes every few seconds. Go back to the OKX app and enter the code shown in Google Authenticator to complete the setup. Once the verification is successful, Google Authenticator will be linked to your OKX account. From now on, you'll need to enter a verification code whenever you log in or make important changes. It's also a good idea to save the backup key somewhere safe in case you change your phone or need to recover your account. And that's how you link Google Authenticator to OKX. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.